Products and pricing table in BoloForms. Products are useful when you want to have a quick way to add items in pricing table, streamlining your process of taking payments in BoloForms. How to create a product? You can first create a category, although optional. A product can be created with or without a category. Now let's create a category named shirts. Now that we have created a category named shirts, we'll create a new product named shirt. Once the product has been created, you can thereafter edit the product or delete the product later on. Now that we have got a product, we'll go to the editor and use this product in the pricing table. Let's drag a pricing table into the edit table. So in edit table, there are two ways which you can add items to a table. You can either add a new product directly by using the add product button, or from catalog where you will be using pre-existing products that you created. These products will be fetched from the products page. Let's add these two products and also add a new product named shoes. You can now modify the quantities as you need. Here in the grand total table, you can set your discount either in absolute terms or in percentages. For now, we'll set in absolute terms. In order to change from absolute to percentage, you have to access this menu from here and change the number format to percent or to currency. You can change the currency for the table as well, but you need to have the table's currency to match the document's currency, which is over here. Save the table. Now that we have saved the table, you can see that the details of the products have been populated. Now, in order to access this table into the document value, navigate to the document value tab and select your source as document total. Here, you'll be seeing all the pricing tables in a given document. We only have one pricing table, so it is showing only one. If you select this pricing table, now the document value has updated to 650. Now, any changes made to this pricing table will reflect in the document value. Let's edit this table again. Now that we have updated the value, the price is also updated for the table. Save the table, and we can see that the document value has been updated. This is how you use pricing table and products in BoloForms.